Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will explain about the inverse variation. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's say, okay, I put here first question, yeah. So your B, okay, varies inversely. Okay, varies inversely. That means you have to put 1 over, okay, B varies inversely as E. Okay, now, so now B is equals to K over E. Alright, so now you have the value for B equals to 6 and your E is equals to 2. Okay, alright, now, so B is 6 equals to K over 2. Okay, so now you have to multiply, correct? Because this is divide. Opposite for divide is multiply. So 6 times 2 is 12 equals to K. So your new equation now is B equals to K, sorry, not K, because we have the value for K, right? So 12 over E. Alright? Okay. Now, your B equals to 12 over E. Okay. So now, when your B, okay, your B equals to, okay, you don't know your value for B. You have to find it. So your E now equals to 12. Same thing. So B equals to 12 over 12. So your B now equals to 1. Easy, right? Okay. Now, the difference is when the question asks you, the question said varies inversely, you have to put 1 over. Okay? 1 over. And then you replace 1 with the K. So now, same equation, B equals to 12 over E. But this time, you have to find what is the value for E, right? When your B equals to 3. Okay? So your B now is a 3, 12 over E. So this is divide. So you want to transfer to this side, you have to multiply. So you will have 3E equals to 12. Okay? Now your E will be 12 divided by 3. Your E now equals to 4. Easy. Alright, next. Okay, next one. Okay, so Q, okay, Q varies inversely as R. Okay, Q varies inversely as R. So now Q equals to K over R. Okay, so now you have the value for Q. When your Q equals to 5 and your R equals to 2, you have to find what is the value for K. So R equals to K over 2. 5 times 2, 10. So your K equals to 10. Okay, substitute inside this equation. So now Q equals to 10 over K R. Okay, now same equation, Q equals to 10 over R. Okay, so now find the value of Q, okay, when your R equals to 4. Okay, so that means Q 10 over 4. Your Q now is equals 5 over 2. Okay, easy. Okay, one more. Okay, Q equals to 10 over R. Alright, so now you have to find the value of R when your Q equals to 20. So 20 replace equals to 10 over R. So you have to multiply. So you have here 20r equals to 10. Now your r will be 10 over 20. So that means your r is 1 over 2. Okay? Now, one more. I hope you understand, yeah? Inshallah. Okay. Now, one more. Alright. Okay. X. Okay, put X. Your X is inversely, okay, to Y square. Alright. So now X equals to K over Y square. Alright, so now your X equals to 4, alright, and your Y is equals to 3. So we have to substitute this value inside this equation, yeah? So 4 equals to K over 3 squared. So 3 squared means 9, right? So 9 and 4. So now your new equation will be, your K will be equals to 36. So your new equation is X equals to 36 over Y squared. Okay, now let's say, okay, same equation, X equals to 36 over Y squared. Alright, so now if, okay, you have to find what is the value for Y, okay, when your X, okay, when your X is 2, 1 over 4. Okay, so now, okay, now, yeah, so X, 2 times 4 is 8, 9 over 4. 9 over 4 equals to 36 Y squared. So this part you have to multiply like this. So 9 times Y squared, you have 9Y squared equals to, alright, so 36 you multiply with 4, you will have 144. So Y squared now, 144 you divide by 9, you will have 16. 144 divided by 9, yeah? So you have 16. So Y equals to, so if here is square, you want to change to this side, you will have square root. Okay, so square root 16 you will have 4 plus minus 4. Okay, all right, so that's all for today for the inverse variation. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will upload more video for mathematics inshallah in the future. Assalamualaikum.